Expensive hair spas leave your hair feeling really healthy, shiny, and frizz-free. But there is a way that you can replicate this at home with really affordable products and home ingredients. Let me show you how. If you have a flaky scalp, dandruff, or really sparse hair growth, especially right in the front of your forehead, you can try a scalp scrub. Basically, you can mix together coconut oil, coffee, and a few drops of rosemary. This mix really helps in boosting your blood circulation because of the coffee, and then the coconut oil and the rosemary oil penetrate deeper into your scalp because it's been scrubbed and it's ready for absorption. This technique is great for reducing dandruff and boosting hair growth. And you can you can scrub and massage at the same time because it's oil-based. And the only difference between doing this at home versus doing it in the salon is how much time they spend on your scalp. So make sure you do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes and get the best results this way. Massage is a really important step of any hair spa, especially when you do it in the salon. I feel like I just get lost for those 10-15 minutes that they do it. So if you want to do this at home, it's a little tricky to do it on yourself because you get tired and your arms and stuff. But do this with a timer set. So massage starting from the front parts of your hairline all the way till the nape of your neck. And really take your time with this and try to massage with pressure for a long time, because this will help your products like your oil or the scalp scrub I mentioned before to absorb in way better and give you the best results. Your scalp and hair are primed and ready for masks right now. Hair masks are some of the most nourishing and nutrient-giving treatments that you can give for your hair. And in a regular hair spa, they keep this on with a hot towel for a long time. And there's no reason why we can't do this at home. So here's a great DIY you can try. Mix together bhindi-flaxseeds in water and then boil this. You will get a super slimy mixture, which is literally like nectar for your hair. So try this out on your hair lengths as well as the scalp and keep it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, if you want to go for a store-bought option, there are many great drugstore brands also putting out hair masks, not just the professional expensive ones. So this is Dove's Total Repair Deep Moisture Treatment Mask. It's a mouthful, but it has a really creamy texture and it's great for removing frizz and reversing damage on your hair. But I would recommend not to use this on your scalp, because whenever I use hair masks on my scalp, it just ends up making my hair look like a little flat. So use this on your ends and keep it on for a good 15-20 minutes. Like step out of the shower, just sit in your room and watch something with a towel on. But keep it for like a good amount of time, because then you will see results. Now it's time to shampoo all of this off, and it's okay if it takes at least like 2 rounds of shampooing as well, if you need that to take all of these things off. But because that is still better than aggressively shampooing and scrubbing your hair to remove all of these things. Because you will just be stripping your hair of its natural oils that make it soft in the first place. So don't overwash. You can just rinse the first time and wash again. But remember to be very gentle and use an SLS-free shampoo, which is parabens and sulfates. Ending this routine at just shampooing is something I would definitely not do, because after shampooing my hair tends to feel a little bit dry. So I like to end with this extra step that you won't find in any salon hair spa. It's a hair rinse, and I like to do this with 3 recipes. First is a black tea hair rinse, which helps reverse pollution damage. Next is a rice water hair rinse, which makes your hair shiny and frizz-free. And finally, a rosemary water hair rinse, which reduces hair fall and strengthens your hair. These are really great. They're very easy to apply. The messy level is very low on this one. And if you want to learn how to make these, I have posted videos of my recipes of these on Instagram, and I'll put links to them in the description below. Now, if you want an even easier option and not have a water bowl of this mix, you can use a spray version of these hair rinses. And I like to use this rosemary water spray. And you can find this one in the link I have added in the description. This is a really easy way to do a hair rinse without dunking your head in a bowl. I've had some trouble with hair serums in the past. Usually they would make my hair look a bit flat and sticky. So I had to find a solution for a leave-in conditioner that would leave my hair feeling really nourished and shiny as well. So I found this L'Oreal leave-in hair cream, and this is to be applied as your last step of this hair spa and only to your ends. This will help your hair feel really soft and give it that frizz-free look even after drying. At the end of every salon hair spa, they always blow dry your hair, and that is the real reason why it always looks shiny, straight and perfect at the end. If you want to do this at home, I would say blow dry but on the cool setting to avoid any heat damage. I hope you try out this routine and it works out for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.